Hi, we're DoorRenew. Today we're breaking down why painting your front door often causes more damage than it fixes, and what to do instead if you want it to actually last. Painting your front door seems like a quick, affordable fix, but in most cases it actually accelerates damage rather than preventing it. Homeowners often assume paint provides protection, when in reality it creates a rigid surface film that traps moisture, cracks under daily heat expansion, and peels as UV exposure breaks it down, especially on exterior doors that face sun and weather. Wood doors naturally absorb and release moisture, causing paint to fracture. Fiberglass doors require specialized bonding systems that standard paint can't maintain, and steel doors heat up, leading to bubbling and corrosion beneath the paint layer. Each repaint adds thickness and reduces flexibility, making future failures happen faster and turning a cheap fix into an expensive cycle of sanding and repainting. DIY jobs often fail even sooner due to improper prep, incompatible primers, poor weather conditions, and inadequate curing. Professional refinishing is fundamentally different. It removes failed coatings, properly preps the substrate, and applies penetrating sealers and flexible, UV-resistant finishes designed to move with the door and protect it long-term. While painting may be acceptable for interior or fully shaded doors as a temporary cosmetic solution, sun-exposed exterior doors almost always perform better with professional refinishing, which lasts years longer and costs far less than repeated paint jobs or full replacement. If your door is peeling or you're thinking about painting it, talk to DoorRenew first. We can restore and protect your door without replacement. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.